What's up, guys? It's Steven here. We're on the way to my friend's house. I'm picking up a new frame, and then we're gonna go to Cameron's house to do the bike build. I got the bike in the back. I'm trying to focus because it's raining and it's dark, but we're gonna be doing the bike build at Cameron's house, and I got another special surprise for you guys when we get to Cameron's house. But I just wanted to let you guys know that we are in fact doing a video today. It's not just going to be some random whiny bullcrap like Sky's. Alright, so we just picked up the we just picked up the frame, and now we're getting out of the trailer park. Cameron's getting a bunch of parts in that, because he just gave me pretty much the entire bike, because some parts are for one person, some parts are for Cameron, and he said whatever Cameron doesn't take, give to the other person.
Go left.
I know where to go. Told you we could get out this way.
Yeah, but there's Roy's house right down there.
Okay.
Could have just turned around.
Cool. We could have just done what I did, because that's what we did, and it's getting us out of here. Sorry you guys got to hear us, but she doesn't think that I know this place. But I know this place. So, we're getting out of here. We're going to head to Cameron's again. Going to have another time lapse starting right now. What's up, guys? It's Steven here. Oh, shit. I'm trying to strap up here. And, we are at Kroger right now. I forgot to do the time-lapse from the trailer park to Kroger, but we're at Kroger now. We're gonna be heading to Cameron's to, heading to Cameron's to, put my bike together, put some more stuff on another friend's bike that you guys will get to know soon. And I think that's it. So time lapse start now. Hey guys, we're here at Cameron's house.
We're here at Cameron's house.
And that surprise, you want to tell them what the surprise is that I didn't tell them about yet?
We're going to
Where are we going? We're going to Raise this weekend.
And I'm getting new brakes.
We're getting brakes. We're not going to tell you who the special person is that's coming with us. Here's their bike. Right now, they got a purple bike. Yeah. For now, we're putting new parts on it.
Alright, let's get this going.
Here's my bike before. Here's my new frame. And let's get the bike build montage starting now. What's up, guys? It's Steven. My phone died, Cameron's phone died, and the other person whose bike we were building, unfortunately, doesn't live near or as close to us as me and Cameron live to each other. But my bike is semi-done. We couldn't get the chain off because his chain breaker broke, and that's really it. So I brought it home. I'm gonna have to get my chain breaker and try to get it off with that, or cut it off with a hacksaw because it's that much of a pain in the ass. But like Cameron said, we're going to Rays Saturday and Sunday. We're leaving Saturday morning and coming home like Monday morning or afternoon or something like that. So if you want to catch us at Rays, okay, the thing that I have is there will be a link in the description below. Actually, I'm probably going to put it like right here too. I made a special Snapchat for while we are at Rays that I'm not going to use until we get to Rays on Saturday. And what I want you guys to do is send us a Snapchat of the tricks you want us to try to do. And we will do our best to do those tricks and land them. Like, nothing like extreme, like do a double backflip or do a 1260 or whatever. Don't send us any of that. You know we can't do that. But just send us something you'd like to see us try, and we will try it. We'll say exactly who's told. Just like send us the trick and your Instagram or whatever. We'll shout you out if we choose your trick, and I just want to see what you guys can come up with for us to do. So hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like, and see you next time. Peace.